In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or change your name in LinkedIn Learning. Whether you're updating personal details after a name change or simply correcting an error, taking the time to ensure your profile accurately reflects your identity is crucial in maintaining a polished professional image. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're there, navigate to your home page. You'll want to locate the Me icon, which is typically represented by your profile picture at the top of the page. It's your starting point for accessing your personal settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View Profile. This action will direct you straight to your LinkedIn profile page, where all your professional details are prominently displayed. On your profile page, turn your attention to the top section where your personal information is located. Here, to the right of your profile picture, you'll find the Edit icon, resembling a small pencil. Clicking on this pencil icon allows you to begin editing your profile details. This is your gateway to updating or changing any information, with a particular focus today on your name. Once you click the pencil icon, a pop-up window titled Edit Intro will appear. This window is versatile, letting you update various aspects of your profile at once. For our purposes, focus specifically on the text boxes labeled first name and last name. Carefully enter your updated information in the appropriate fields. It's crucial to double-check your spelling and make sure that everything reflects your intended name changes accurately. After all, you wouldn't want any embarrassing typos at the forefront of your professional presence. Having made the necessary changes, look for the Save button within this pop-up window. It's typically at the bottom of the window. Once you've verified your new name details, click Save to apply these changes to your profile. Upon saving, you'll notice that your profile now reflects your updated name. This is what will be visible to anyone who looks you up on LinkedIn Learning, showcasing your professionalism and attention to detail. And just like that, you've successfully updated your name on LinkedIn Learning. This process is quick, taking only a few minutes. Yet it ensures that all your professional interactions on the platform start off on the right foot. Keeping your online persona consistent not only enhances your professional appearance but also prevents any confusion that might arise from outdated or incorrect information. Remember, maintaining your LinkedIn profile is an ongoing task. As your career evolves, so might your professional identity. Now you have the knowledge to keep it as up-to-date as possible. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your profiles sharp and your connections meaningful.